All right, so I just had a fight with my printer. So usually every time it's like a 20-minute process to get something printed, and this is how my printer likes to do things. It's just really that one. Some of them are really messed up. My printer, it is so old. So I think I'm going to actually take it into Best Buy today and trade it in so that I can get money off of a real printer that can handle what I'm trying to get it to do. That one looks pretty, okay, just kidding. So we're gonna put this in the Cricut now and see if I did all of that right. So I'm just doing this mainly for a lot of practice. I was gonna laminate these, but I think I should save my laminating paper until I get a better printer. Some of them are really cute though. Practice. So I'm just going to load my sheet. The other thing that's kind of annoying, I hope these registration marks are dark enough. When I just tried to use my iPad to print this, and it told me, okay, hold on, now the play button's not working over here. It told me that I needed to calibrate my printer. Hold on one second. Okay, it was giving me some connection problems. This always seems to be such a process. Oh, yay. Okay, so it finally worked that time. I don't know why things have to be so finicky. Let's see. I haven't played with a lot of the... What? Like, I just used this the other day, so it's really interesting. That's really weird. And tools not compatible? Are you kidding? I'm not sure what's happening because I just did this the other day. Okay, I'm not sure why it was doing that. Maybe it's because I have this set to like doing the sticker thing, and I selected that when I did it, but yesterday I didn't have any issue with that. So we're going to press this button to load it in because that's what it's telling me to do. And let it catch it. And hopefully it can read those registration marks. So yeah, when I was trying to print from my iPad, it was telling me that I needed to calibrate my Cricut machine, even though I did that the last time, but perhaps I was not on my iPad last time. So I'm not sure why there's this debacle between like which device. Like I'm using my MacBook right now because it was having it was telling me that I couldn't do anything without calibrating my machine first, which I did last time, but on my MacBook, I suppose, I don't think I calibrated it from my iPad. So I'm not really sure what's up with that, but it's annoying. So pressing play, see what happens. And I hope this isn't a failure because this is so much trial and error and there's a lot of failure. That's why I'm starting with, cheaper materials. I want to make sure I know what I'm doing fully before I start investing a lot in this. I feel like I'm invested a lot of my patience, but not a lot of my, this machine is not cheap either, but regardless of what you get, you still have to learn how to use the machine. So there will always be a learning curve. This might be like the 4th or 5th thing that I've done. So I feel like I'm progressing pretty well. So I'm not mad about what I've been able to do so far. So it kind of gives you a status of what it's doing well. I did not realize how dirty my screen was, but It was telling me that it was detecting the lines, and now it's doing some cutting. Ignore the dog hair. I have a Bernese Mountain Dog, and the hair will be with me everywhere I go. It's kind of nice, but also not nice. Wonderful dog. Lots of hair. So we're gonna see if that calibration that I did last time, because before that I had a lot of my projects were not lining up or the cuts were way off. So hopefully the calibration really helped that. So I don't waste any more like time and energy in my product of it's just not right at the end. So hopefully it turns out better. It's looking good so far. All right. Oh, I have to push this. Yep. Okay. And there we are. Let's see. You can see the cuts there. To me, I'm wondering if this went all the way through the paper. It wasn't supposed to. And it did. So, I think it may be, because I did this as kiss cut. This is clearly not a kiss cut. This did cut all the way through. So I'm not mad, because I did almost wish that I was doing it this way instead. So this is actually pretty cool how this one turned out. Now I'm wishing that I did the holographic, because I think it would have looked really, really cool. So there's my stickers. It cut them out perfect. I'll have to double check what I did just to make sure if I what setting I had chose when I printed these, so that I know like if I should change the material that I was using or whatever, and figure out those settings. So yeah, there we go. That's the terrible one. There's way better ones on there. Yeah, cool.